Hello, bonjour, and salam namaste, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kayani Shane, and today I'm going to share a anti-aging hydrating DIY face mask. And to make this, we'll need 2 teaspoons of honey, yogurt, if possible. I didn't have that, so I used milk. So half a cup of milk, half a banana. Let's not waste food, and 1/4 slice of lemon. You can squeeze it, and that will be enough. We have to mix and smash and make the batter look like this. And remember not to leave chunks. You can't hold chunks at your face for long. Now for better consistency, you can keep it in fridge for at least 15 minutes, which I have done in my case. And this is exactly how it looked before I applied it on my face. I'm applying it with a Facepack brush. You can also use any other brushes that you have. While putting it on your face, try not to miss the areas that are likely to have wrinkles. I'm sticking on tissue papers to lock the hydration and intensify the effect of the face pack. I've given it 15 minutes to set and dry a little bit. Now you can gently peel off. I wipe my face with baby wipes. You can also use wet towels. And after you're done, you're definitely going to feel a lot more hydrated and the dryness is gone. And what you can't see in camera is I'm definitely feeling that tightening effect. My skin feels so tightened. So this is it. That's all for today. And if this video becomes at least a little bit useful for you and if this video works for you, do give it a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe. Okay, so bye for now. Don't forget to hit the bell button to stay connected, updated every time I post. See you in my next video. Love you. Bye bye. Take care.